Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. Look at this, this came today. It's the couch console. I was looking forward to getting this. And so we're gonna check this out. This is kind of the box for it. You can kind of guess what it is. It's a couch console. It says start here. Start here, there. So we gotta start there. Let's see if we can open this up. Wow, it says start here, but it like doesn't open easy. Okay. Still fairly unsuccessful in getting this open. Okay, so here is our couch console. Ooh. Okay, so there's everything out of the box. Put it right there. Let's see, how do we? Now it's in a plastic box. Okay, plastic off. Rest of the plastic off. And so this is our couch console. So we've got here, we have a heavy little ring that will go, I guess this is gonna go in there like that. So it kind of holds it. Yeah, did I put it in wrong? Maybe it is there. Okay, so maybe it does go here. So I guess it kind of goes, see, so it kind of stays straight wherever it turns. So that's gonna be in there. We have a little section here, like a little cubby. I can put my chips and things in there. We have the little section spacers, I guess, so we can kind of put things out or open things up, whatever, kind of close up areas, whatever we want. We have a little storage. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing here. Okay, better. Okay, so we have our CC storage. So this is where we can put stuff in here. We have a little, we can put our battery pack in here, and then it kind of comes out up here, so we can charge things if we wanted to, or vice versa. So we have this little section here, so if we wanted to do stuff, we could have it like that, or we could put it this way here if we wanted like a rubber, hand thing there. So let's see what else we got here. So, and then we have our cup will go there. I guess we don't want the little coaster underneath it if we're gonna have the cup floating. We want it to be floating so it won't spill. So if I put my cup in it, haha, this is a huge cup. Is it gonna go? There we go. So we got it in there now, and you see, as I move it around, it kind of stays fairly straight. So how cool is that? And let's see what else we got in here. So couch console, we have the little tab here. I'm gonna go look up and just see what else, other things we might be missing, other features. Let me see if they've got anything listed on here. Oh, on the back, we have all of our different things here. So let me move you up a little bit. So here we have all our different features that we have here. So we have our self-balancing cup holder. We saw that. We have our little tray module. We have the spacer. It connects as a separator. If you need custom spacing, it also transforms into a cap for the snack cup. Oh, check it out. Let me move this back up here a little bit. So look, so I can take out my CC spacer. Take out my spacer, and then when it flips open, it's now a cap for this section. How cool is that? Very cool. We have our snack cup, which is under there. We have our base, which holds everything. And I think that's, for the most part, everything. So very cool. I like it. And we have our little storage here. So I'm just gonna keep this here on the couch. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh, it's just got some ridges here. So I'm gonna keep this on the couch in here, and we'll see what happens when the rest of the family comes, what they think of it as well. But I like it. Seems good. So I can just sit over here and be ready to go all the time. So keep my snacks, keep my phone, keep everything there. Very cool. I guess this would just be a separate little cup holder if we wanted to not have it self-balancing. You can have it affixed in there, then it'll just stay straight. So neat. Super cool. Thumbs up for me on the couch console, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.